Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing essentials. Make sure your iPhone is online and you know your Google email, password, and 2FA method. Once ready, open Settings, scroll to Contacts, then Accounts. Tap Add Account and choose Google. You're starting the secure handshake between iCloud Contacts and Google Contacts. This is why having 2FA ready matters. Follow the prompts to sign in. Don't skip permission prompts. This first step creates the account container where contacts will sync, so it's critical to complete it now. Now sign in with your Google credentials and approve any two-factor prompts. If you use an app password, paste it in. Once authenticated, the account screen shows sync toggles. Make sure Contacts is turned on. You can also enable Mail, Calendars, and Notes if desired. Make sure background app refresh and fetch settings allow timely sync. Otherwise, Contacts update only when you open the app. This step links Google's contact database to the iPhone Contact Store, so enable Contacts explicitly to start syncing. Finish by opening the Contacts app and tapping Groups to verify your Google lists are visible. Make sure they are checked. If you prefer new contacts to go to Google, set Default Account in Settings right arrow Contacts. If contacts don't appear, force a sync by toggling contacts off and on in the account, then reboot the iPhone and re-enable sync. One key troubleshooting tip: if two-factor blocks sign-in, create an app password in Google Account Security and use it when adding the account. This resolves many sync failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.